it's Anya, and today I really want to make some chocolate chip banana muffins. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl, add 1.5 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Add 1 egg, a half a cup of oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and 3 medium bananas. Mix until well combined. Add in 1 cup of chocolate chips and mix until well combined. Spoon into prepared pans and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean.